Let's solve this question. K into square root of k equal to 27. We have to find k. If you look at this question, it is a question that is very easy, that can be solved easily. But if you is not taken, it's possible you misplace the necessary key thing. So what we do is this. Let's write solution first. Okay, within seconds you see that we solve it. What we have here is k multiplying square root of k to give us 27. So after that, we find a way of eliminating the square root. So what we do is we square both sides. Okay, we square both sides. We also square this. So after squaring it, what happened here is the square here affect both square k and square root of k. So we have k square, then square root of k, also square, equal to 27 raised to power of 2. Okay, so from here we have k square and square root we cancel, then multiply by k. We have our k, which is equals to 27 raised to the power of 2. So if we apply the law of indices, remember this is also k raised to the power of 1. That says if you have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n, since they are having equal base, it will give us a raised to the power of m plus n. So we apply this indices law here. So this will give us k raised to the power of 2 plus 1, which is equal to 27 raised to the power of 2. So after this, 2 plus 1, that gives us k raised to the power of 3 equals to 27 raised to the power of 2. 27 raised to the power of 2 means 27 times 27. Then we have k raised to the power of 3 equals to 27 times 27, that gives us 729. Okay, so we have 729. We can subtract 729 from both sides. So we have k raised to the power of 3 minus 729 equal to 729 minus 729. So 729 minus 729, that cancel, which gives us 0. 729 equals to 0. Okay, so after this now, we can write this as k raised to the power of 3 equal minus 9 raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 0. Because 9 raised to the power of 3 will also give us 729. 9 times 9 times 9. Okay, so when we look at this now, we are having difference of 2 cubes, and there is a rule that says if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, that is the difference of 2 cubes, is going to give us a minus b, open and close bracket, into a square plus ab plus b square. So this rule here, okay, is what we are going to apply now. We apply this rule, we apply it here. So we are going to have k minus 9. So our a here is k, our b is 9. So k minus 9 into k square plus 9k plus b, which is 9 square. Then we close the bracket, which is equal to what? 0. So what this means is either this is 0 or the whole of this is 0. Then if k minus 9 equal to 0, so what it implies, if k minus 9 is equal to 0, it means our k will now be 9. Our k is what? Is 9. Let's say this k1. Now, if we have k square plus 9k plus 9 square equals to 0, let's assume that is what we have. Okay? So, let's assume this is the second equation. Then, we are going to do we are going to solve this quadratic equation. So this can give us k squared minus 9k plus 9 times 9, that's 81, equals to 0. Okay? If you look at this now, we can use factorization method. So let's use formula method to solve it. And record the formula method is we are going to have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Then recall our a is what? 1. Our b equals to minus 9. Then c equals to 81. So from here, let's apply this now. So we're going to have our k 2, 3. We have found k1 to be 9. So k 2, 3 will now give us, what's our b here? Minus 9. So we have minus into minus 9 plus minus square root of b, that's minus 9 squared minus 4a, a is 1, then c, and c is 81, divided by 2a, which is also 1. So from here, we can easily say our k, either k2 or 3, will now give us 9 plus minus square root of 81 minus 4, 1 times 81, that's 81, all divided by 2. So what do we do next? We still have our k2, 3, which is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus, if you multiply 4 by 81, we have 324, all divided by 2. So we have k2, 3 to be equals to 9 plus minus. If we subtract this, what do we have? I'm going to have minus 243 divided by 2. So from here, we can have our k2, 3 to be equals to 9 plus minus. We can have this as minus 1 times 243 divided by 2. But record our minus 1, okay, is what? Is high. So minus 1 square root of minus 1 is I. Okay, because square of 1 I is what? Minus 1. So we have 9 plus or minus I 243 divided by 2. So what this means is we are having two complex numbers here. It is K2 is 9 plus I square root of 243 divided by 2. Then K3 is 9 minus I square root of 243 divided by 2. But remember that our K1, which is a value of K as found earlier, is 9. You can see the interesting solution to the question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.